Hey pageant lovers, the Miss Universe India 2025 coronation night is scheduled to take place on August 18, 2025 in Jaipur, Rajasthan, making the second edition of the pageant under the Glamour Group and K Sera Sera box office. The event will see almost 50 contestants representing all Indian states and union territories competing for the title, with the winner advancing to represent India at the Miss Universe 2025 competition in Thailand on November 21, 2025. Reha Singha, Miss Universe India 2024, will crown her successor at the end of the event. हेलो, नमस्ते, आदाब, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक बार फिर से आप सभी के पसंदीदा चैनल OMG Pageant and Glamour के एक नए and exciting video में. Hey guys, today in this video I am sharing with you my final hot pick for Miss Universe India 2025 beauty pageant. Guys, if you spot your favorite queen in this video, don't forget to mention her name. So friends, without wasting any time, enjoy this video.
In the corner of laughter, we found our way. Moments wrapped in warmth, a sweet ballet. With every smile.
Namaste. I am Evelyn Zatsingpuri. I come from Mizoram, a land where strength is lived through humility, compassion, and unity. I'm a woman who has turned every almost into a reason to rise again. To me, being beautifully confident means staying calm, certain, and rooted in self-awareness by embracing my flaws and carrying my truth with quiet strength. I believe I should be the next Miss Universe India because, as a proud tribal woman, I want to stand for those unseen and unheard, standing for every individual who dares to rise beyond their beginnings. Thank you.
When a woman shares her heart, despite her invisible wounds, that's the true meaning of being beautifully confident. Raised by a single mother, I grew up with silent struggles and seen the pain that I had to carry throughout my childhood. I lost my childhood, battled speech issues, but I did not let that define me. My strength was born from the will to support my mother and brother. And today, every step I take is a new promise for tomorrow. I dream of becoming Miss Universe, a doctor, an actress, and a woman of innovation for launching satellites and reaching the stars. I am Kashvi, a proud daughter of Telangana, and I should be your next Miss Universe India 2025 because the one who got broken deserves a chance to stand here and speak powerfully. I dream, lead, inspire, and carry the light for my country and the universe. Jai Hind.
Johar India. My name is Riya Tirki and I am your Miss Universe Jharkhand 2025. I come from the Mineral Storehouse of India, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Growing up in multiple cities in India helped me explore different cultures and diversities. Well, it took me 10 years of consistent hard work and a resilient attitude to be standing here today. Hence, accepting and transforming myself with a purpose is what makes me a beautifully confident person. Well, I come from a tribal community which gave birth to Salima Tete and Draupadi Murmu ma'am, first ever tribal women to serve as the president of our nation. Hence, I feel the responsibility to serve as a pioneer to our community and to our society. Hence, I wish to leave behind a legacy of authenticity, sustainability, and a purpose-driven beauty. Thank you so much. Johar.
Namaste. I'm Ravi Tanya Sharma, your Miss Universe Punjab 2025. I'm an author, a model, who's currently pursuing her PhD in management. While I have worked with some of the biggest brands of our country, but my heart truly lies in animal welfare, standing up for those who cannot speak for themselves. To me, beautifully confident means embracing all your flaws and standing up for what you truly believe in. I deserve to be the next Miss Universe India because I represent every small town girl who dared to dream big. I turned every no into power and every setback into strength. I'm here to not just wear the crown, but to carry its weight with pride, power, and purpose. Thank you so much.
The world outside faded. We were lost in the glow.
From childhood, I have been captivated by the graceful crowning moments that led my journey here today. Namaste, my name is Lucky Barod, your Miss Universe India Gujarat 2025. For me, being beautifully confident is about upholding others' values and understanding them. Inspiring every soul to thrive in the unique life is what my advocacy See the Soul is all about. Raised by a resilient doctor mother, I have seen women empowering, nurturing, and raising. I deserve to be crowned as Miss Universe India 2025 as I come from a place where I understand the grassroots of India and understand what the true value and true strength of women come from. I'll carry forward this message globally with the magnificent title of our motherland, India. Thank you.
The world outside.
Hello Universe, I'm Tanya Sharma, Miss Universe Uttar Pradesh 2025. I've always been the girl who dreamt bigger than herself, and through this, I've stumbled, fallen, but yet risen. And to me, that's what beautifully confident means. It's not about being flawless, but embracing your flaws and knowing that that's what makes you you. Miss Universe to me is not a perfect woman, but someone who's deeply human. And I want to be the next Miss Universe India because I have a passion inside me that burns through every inch of my soul and a fire that cannot be put out. Thank you.
In the corner of laughter, we found our way.
Hello, I'm Sachi Kodali, Miss Universe India Union Territory, a model, an actor, and a law student. I've beat all odds, risen from the shadows. I'm here not just to be seen, but to conquer, to lead, and leave a mark the universe just can't ignore. To me, beautifully confident means turning your struggles into strength. Growing up with dyslexia, I didn't even know what confidence was, but today I have a strong mind, a kind heart, and the mind to know that I was born to rise. Being someone who turned my pain into power, I truly believe that I am God's child. And I stand here today not just for myself, but also to fulfill my father's dream, knowing that he is watching me from above. And that's why I should be the next Miss Universe India.
Namaskaram. I'm Aishwarya Srinivasan, your Miss Universe Kerala 2025, a model, dancer, content creator, and an advocate for redefining strength through healing and self-love. To me, being beautifully confident means showing up as your whole true self, even with your scars. At 21, I was told I would never dance again after a spinal injury. I had to relearn to love my body. That's when I realized true confidence isn't about perfection. It's about self-acceptance, resilience, and embracing your journey even if it's imperfect. And I believe I should be your next Miss Universe India because I have redefined strength not just in body but in spirit. And I want to be the voice for all those who have ever felt invisible in their struggles. Because even in your darkest moments, you are still made of more. Thank you. Kurumjari and Namaste India. I am Sarankem Nirupama, your Miss Universe Manipur 2025. Born to a farmer in a small village, I come from Manipur, a state of beauty and resilience. I'm a student of psychology and I stay for healing from mental health issues. Coming from a conflict-affected state, I have seen what my state has gone through, the struggle, the pain and the challenges. To me, beautifully confident is as a woman, standing up for women and for children and for peace. That is what I have been doing. And this is why I deserve to win Miss Universe India. Thank you.
Through the trials and the tears that we
I hail from the land of tunes. Khamma Ghani everyone. This is Manika Shukarma, your Miss Universe India 2025 national finalist. And I'm a model, a student of political science and economics, and a nationally awarded artist who loves painting, singing, and traveling. From glamorous ramps to rigorous parade grounds, from international forums like BIMSTEC to being an ardent advocate for neurodivergence awareness. Beautifully confident to me seems like an anchor of faith that binds passion, purpose, and action. I should be your next Miss Universe India because I believe that I can be the face of this beautifully, magnanimously diverse nation. I have entered spaces where little girls have looked up to me and said, if you can do it, if she can do it, maybe I can too. That, in that moment, their voices reflect in mine and my soul reflects in theirs. Thank you very much. Namaste, I am Mehak Dhingra, a national finalist of Miss Universe India 2025, a 19-year-old professional dancer, model, and an advocate for animal welfare. To me, being beautifully confident means being unapologetically yourself, being true to who you really are, whether it's accepting your flaws, your strengths, or your weaknesses. I channel my confidence through resilience and through the power of rising even after facing setbacks. That to me is being confidently beautiful. I believe that I should be the next Miss Universe India because I turn every almost into my fuel, every setback into my strength. At just 19, I bring not just experience through international pageants, but also unshakable determination. And that's the reason why I'm here today. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Ujasvi Sharma. Before living between action and cut, I played many roles. From school debates to academic failure. From being bullied to building confidence through pageants. From questioning faith to finding it far from home. Life isn't certain, but it's meaningful when you're a part of something bigger than yourself. As an advocate for meditation, I've seen how inner peace fuels outer strength. Beautifully confident isn't about never breaking. It's about rebuilding yourself every time you do, with greater strength, deeper wisdom, and unshakable purpose. As a modern Indian woman, rooted in tradition, yet unafraid to evolve, I should be your next Miss Universe India, who doesn't just lead with beauty and experience, but a clear mission. The title isn't the destination, it's the very beginning. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.